The next type of word problem you could find on your test is the perimeter problem. Perimeter means distance around something. So we're always going to be dealing with a rectangle. My suggestion when doing these problems is to always draw yourself a picture. Okay, so we're going to draw a rectangle. And I want to label the sides. We know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if I can come up with the length and the width, then I can find out what each of the sides is. So a rectangular swimming pool is 6 feet longer than twice its width W. So its width W is going to be here. So that means this side is also W. The length is going to be here, and it says 6 feet longer. That's 6 plus. Twice its width means 2 times the W, which means, of course, this side is also 6 plus 2W. Okay, so for perimeter, that just means add up all the sides. So the equation that we're going to have here is going to be W plus 6 plus 2W plus W plus another 6 plus 2W. And they said the perimeter was equal to 120, so that equals 120. Okay, so there's our equation. Now what we want to do is collect our like terms. So recall that these numbers in front of the w's are 1. So I've got 1w plus 2w is 3w, plus 1 more w is 4w, plus 2 more gives me 6w. Then I've got numbers. Plus 6 gives me plus 12 equals 120. Solve this. I need to get rid of the plus 12, so I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And 6w equals, well, 120 minus 12 is 108. And then we need to divide. So divide both sides by the 6 here, and you find that the width is equal to 18. And we're dealing in terms of feet, so the width is 18 feet. Now they asked us to find its dimensions, so you not only need the width, you need the length. So what you should do is take this value and plug it into here. So I'm going to plug in for W, the 18, so that's going to be 6 plus 2 times 18, which is 6 plus, well, 2 times 18, when you follow the order of operations, you have to do that first. That's 36, and then do the addition, 42 feet. Okay, so I write the dimensions length and width, so this is going to be 42 feet by 18 foot. That's a pretty nice size swimming pool. Let's try one more. Okay, let's start by drawing our rectangle. Okay, the width is 2 feet less than its length. So we're going to say L is the length. So the width is 2 feet less than that. Remember that than means to switch it around. So that's going to be L minus 2. Okay, so now we want to write our equation. Recall that the perimeter just means to add up all those sides. So I'm going to get L minus 2 plus L minus 2 plus L. Those are my 4 sides, equals 32. Oh, what's up with my pen? There we go. All right, collect your like terms. I have 1L plus 1L is 2L, plus 1 more is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So that's 4L. Minus 2 is minus 4, equals 32. Get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4 to both sides. So 4L equals 36. Again, get rid of multiplication by dividing. And L equals 9. Again, we want the dimensions, so we're going to have to substitute to find that width. So the width here is going to be 9 minus 2, or 7. So I write length and width, so this is 9 feet by 7 feet. And that's the perimeter problem.